Now the game's simple. Best ones are. You want mercy? Play by the rules.
Any identification on the victim?
Puzzle piece. But Jigsaw has been dead for 10 years.
It's not him. Can't be.
This was on the body.
The truth will set you free.
Help!
I'm chasing a dead man.
Just running scared.
It's the copycat.
Each place we go. So afraid.
Live or die.
I show
The choice is yours.
just running.
You know what happens if we don't follow the rules?
The blood under the fingernails of our victim, John Kramer, the Jigsaw killer.
That's impossible.
Which one would you choose?
He said it was a game.
He was standing there.
Games can be won. It's Jigsaw.
Which one would it be?
No, it's not creepy at all.